In this video, we are going to look at the Pandas Agg command with a code snippet. Suppose you want the summarization of a particular stock and like to know what the mean is on the stock volume. So what is aggregating data? Data aggregation is the process of gathering data and presenting it in a summarized format. In this video, we will work on the data structure from the NASDAQ. This data structure contains data about the Apple stock prices over the last 12 months. In this data structure, we are interested in the open, close, max, and min prices for the Apple stock. We are not going to explain what the meaning of the data is. We will only use this data for illustrative purposes. I'm going to leave the URL of the NASDAQ data source in the description below. Okay, enough said. Let's turn to the Python code and explain the code step by step. Let's start. The first step is to import the Python library. As a preparation, I have already downloaded a CSV file from the website as a comma-separated file. You can download an overview of the last 12 months from the NASDAQ website. I selected the Apple stock prices. Using the panda_red_CSV command, we import the stock prices using the data as index field. The data includes the opening and closing price and the highest and lowest price for that day. The next command line contains the data frame aggregate command, where we start calculating the mean, min, and max on the 4 different columns. This command returns a nice overview on the different stats. Note that the number of cells containing NaN, not a number. This is not an error, but it states that this stat is not calculated. What I would like to know is what the mean day opening price is, the lowest and highest price in the high column, the lowest and highest price in the low column, and the mean price on day close. This is an example of the Pandas Agg function. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Like to see more examples of the Pandas Agg function, please leave a comment below. If you'd like to learn more about Python, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.